are here on a local market. It's called Tanjung Market, and here are all the good things to buy. A lot of vegetables, fish, meat, but also this one. This is palm sugar. It's very rare. There's hardly any palm sugar anymore. Yeah, as I said, all the good things. We go on now to see what else we can find here.
Very seldom you will find record.
So the market is now behind me. We just finished our tour. I came here in flip-flops. So I recommend if you go here, you take proper shoes as the flooring is a little bit rustic and interesting. To Tiu Kelep Waterfall, which is maybe 10 minutes that way. We are halfway through. One thing, if you go here, take proper shoes. Flip-flops is maybe not the best choice. It's quite a rough hike. It's also quite slippery. Over there you can also then take a dip. You can see it's crazy hot here. That's a wonderful forest. Look at that. That's a real rain forest. We survived our hike to the waterfall. So it's two waterfalls. To the first one you walk around 20 minutes, and from there onwards you walk another 30 minutes. Except of these guys which are passing me now, they are younger and also a little bit slimmer. They're probably quicker. I'm already looking forward to taking a little swim now. That's, by the way, that's all sweat. Yeah, it's a hard, tough hike. So rather be fit, and again I must say take proper shoes for it. And here we are now on the second waterfall of the day. It's the Sendang Gile. When you walk all the way, normally you meet this waterfall first, but we decided to go to the other one first, take a bath here, and come to this one. It's 75 meters high. Both of them belong to the nicest waterfalls on the island of Lombok. So just behind me now is the oldest mosque of Lombok. By the way, the majority of Lombok is Muslim, by the way. And this is the oldest mosque. It's around 400 years old. And we were lucky enough to have a little look inside as well.
Hello, my name Mougli. This is my family and this is my village. I live on a simple life, but I love my life. And I live with my child, my parents like that, happy. Normally 70. Telepon sehari berat belum gitu.
So we are now in a local hut which is completely made out of wood. Normally the people would sleep on the ground, they would eat on the ground and cook somewhere there in the corner. Then here the food would be placed a little bit up so the dogs cannot jump on it or any animal. And here behind me is a little sacred room. That was in the time where there was no mosque yet, so there was a little bit of a sacred room in every house. And then if you look up there is actually a sustainability program because there's an energy saving light bulb up there as well. Very good. So now it's the moment of truth. This is a local wine made here in the village, which I'm going to try now. Everybody's looking forward to that already. Oh, it smells like pineapples. Okay. Ooh. It's quite sour, but not too bad. It's also not too strong. I would assume it has like 18%, 20 max, but it is quite sour. But just to make sure, let's try it again. Yeah, now it tastes better. And with that pictures my video comes to an end, and this is the boat. With that I will go on now. Bali is just over there at the horizon, which will be my next destination. What I will do on Bali I will show you in the video, which is now here. You can click on the link. We see you next time. If you like that video, please press the like button or subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best in the new year. See you next time.